Take a ride in the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.